Let's take a which is equidistant from 5,4 and -2,3. Okay, problem is find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 5,4 and -2,3. First we have to suppose the point on x-axis. Let the point on x-axis be px, 0. Now this point px, 0 is equidistant from 2 points. Let this be a 5,4 and b -2,3. So according to this, PA is equal to PB because points are equidistant from x-axis and we have taken point on x-axis is x, 0. So PA equal to PB. Now PA equal to PB, so according from distance formula, PA is x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Similarly PB is under root x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. Now it is given PA equal to PB. So therefore under root x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square means 16. This is equal to under root x plus 2 whole square plus 9. Now squaring both sides. If we square both sides, then we will get x minus 5 whole square plus 16 is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 9. So x square plus 25 minus 10x plus 16, this is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 9. Now x square will be cancelled. So we get minus 14x. This is equal to 13 minus 25 and 16 is 41. So 13 minus 41 or minus 14x is equal to minus 28. Therefore x is equal to 2. So point on x-axis is 2, 0. So 2, 0 is equidistant from 5, 4 and -2, 3. Let's take another example. Again this problem is based on the equidistant. If the point P x, y is equidistant from point A 3, 6 and point B -3, 4, then we have to prove that x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Again, it is given pxy. This is equidistant from 2 points A and B. A is 3,6 and B is minus 3,4. What is given to you? PA equal to PB. We can say PA square is equal to PB square. If we square both the sides, then we can get by distance formula x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Now, expanding this, x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 12y plus 36. This is equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Now, by solving, we can find that x square and y square are cancelled. So here we will get minus 12x and minus 4y equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 minus 45, or minus 12x minus 4y is equal to minus 20. Suppose we will take common minus 4. Minus 4 is common. So we will get 3x plus y is equal to 5, or 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. That we have to prove. 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This we have to prove that if a point P x comma y is equidistant from 2 points A 3,6 and B minus 3,4, then 3x plus y minus 5 will be equal to 0. We will take another example. Prove that the points (1, 1) minus 2, 7 and 3, minus 3 are collinear. Now suppose we want to prove that these 3 points are collinear, then the sum of the distance between 2 points, suppose we can say that the point is A 1, 1, B is minus 2, 7 and C is 3, minus 3. Then we can say the distance, any two distance, the sum of the any two distance, suppose AB plus BC is equal to AC, or you can say BC plus AB is equal to CA. Any 2 point, any the sum of two distance will be equal to the third distance. Now find the distance between these 2 points AB. Then AB will be equal to, by distance formula, minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square, and this is equal to 9 plus 36, and we can say root 45 unit. BC, again by distance formula we can say 3 plus 2 whole square, this is equal to minus 3 minus 7 whole square. So this is equal to 525 plus 125 unit, and root of 125 unit. AC or you can say CA, both are same. AC is 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So this is equal to 4 plus 16. So root 20 units. Now here AB is equal to root 45 unit, BC is equal to root 125 unit, and CA is equal to root 20 unit. But we cannot find here from here that the sum of the distance of any two points AB and BC is not equal to CA by from here root 45, root 125, root 20. So we have to simplify this. Root 45 can also be written as 3 root 5 unit. Root 125 can also be written as 5 root 5 unit. And root 20, this can also be written as 2 root 5 unit. Now it is clear, if we add AB and CA, then this will be equal to BC. AB plus CA is equal to BC. AB is 3 root 5, CA is 2 root 5, and BC is equal to 5 root 5. Now 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5, this is equal to 5 root 5. So 5 root 5 is equal to 5 root 5. Therefore points A, B and C are collinear. They lies in the same straight line.